Jesus gave a powerful message towards the end of our gospel today. The Son of Man is Lord even on the Sabbath. Madalas po ay baka nakakalimutan ng mga Pariseyo o ng mga tao generally during that time na kilalanin ang Diyos ay Diyos hindi lamang sa pagsamba, kundi hanggang sa bunga ng kanilang pagsamba. The Lord is Lord from our worship and even from the fruits of our worship. He is Lord every day, at every decision that we make, at every action, and even at every situation of our lives. If we will try to look back on how the Lord chose David as king, he reminded Samuel to choose a king, not with the vision of man, but with the vision of God. To choose someone not from the looks, but from the heart. And to do such, one beautiful backbone, one beautiful source of everything is to know that God is Lord, even at the moments that we discern, at the moments we choose and live with our own decisions. Hindi lang po siya Diyos dito sa loob ng simbahan na ating kinatatayuan, kundi Diyos siya na maglilinaw kung ano nga ba yung pinagdesisyonan natin at sa mga gagawin nating mga kilos. My dear brothers and sisters, it is a good reminder not to segmentize the Lord. Diyos ko lang siya kapag nasa simbahan ako. Diyos lang siya kapag ako ay may problema. Diyos lang siya kapag araw ng linggo. Diyos lang siya kapag ako ay masaya. As if the Lord is chopped into segments in our lives. But my dear brothers and sisters, every time is for Him. Lahat at ang bawat oras ay sa Diyos. He is Lord even on the Sabbath. He is Lord from the church down to the simplest activities of our daily life. As we worship, as we decide, and as we live, He is always Lord. Because the backbone of every good decision, of every good action, and of every good realization is not a segmentized acknowledgement of the Lord, but the Lord who is part of our everyday, part of our every decision, and of our every action. This God is not only in some, but the God who is every day and everywhere. He is God in our worship. He is God in our decisions, and He is God in our actions. My dear friends, let us not fall into the trap by segmentizing the Lord. But from the time that we worship, from the time that we decide when we live and be charitable, it is always the Lord and will always be with the Lord.